Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Bannerjee. आज risk environment काफी positive लग रहा है. एक तरफ equity markets are trading higher, दूसरे तरफ Chinese currency is showing some strength, and तीसरा US bond yields are holding around the lows that it made yesterday. So in this kind of a situation, Indian rupee should strengthen, and that's exactly what is happening. Offshore market में 76.50 या उसके नीचे भी spot is trading, the spot reference, which means futures will be possibly around 76.50 levels. April futures जो कल expire होगा, if that's exactly how it opens here, it's going to be a 20 to 22 पैसा gap down. डॉलर रुपी ये जो रेंज है 76 से 77, in fact 76 से 76.70 के बीच, it has traded for a very long time. So that range continues to hold out. क्योंकि higher, closer to 77, we have seen RBI intervention come in quite aggressively. It's just that the central bank doesn't want the Indian rupee to make a fresh all-time low. So they have been intervening quite aggressively. At the same time, there are flows as well into the market, inflows. So that is kind of cushioning the Indian rupee, not allowing it to drift towards 77 level on the spot. Now closer to 76 because of the global situation, the global macros is going to get a lot of support. So 76 or 76, 70, 80 is the oscillation zone. Or plus there is news that the LIC IPO may happen during the first week of May. If that is confirmed, then that will add to the inflows as well. So as of now, it seems that upside is capped, and downside looks to be quite well supported around the 76 levels. And technically too, जब तक ये 76 के नीचे breakdown नहीं हो रहा है, तब तक we have to assume that it's still in a range. So what kind of trades which can be done? एक तो obviously intraday or let's say overnight में straddle shorts can be done. Otherwise positional में strangle shorts can be done because you have a clear well-defined range. And if somebody wants to bet on a direction, let's say for the month of May, up or down, then a effective way to bet on that is using a ratio spread, which means if you're wanting to bet on the downside, then you basically do a ratio put spread, which means you let's say buy a slightly out of money put, and maybe 50 or 75 paisa away you sell 2 out of money puts. So that what happens is that your premium outgo could be either nil, or it could even be you could receive some premium. So what happens is, if the dollar rupee doesn't drift down, or it takes a long time to drift, you will not bleed on the premium, which will happen if you do a long put or a long put spread. Same goes for a call spread as well. Instead of doing a call spread, you can do a ratio call spread. So this is a change in approach which we have done over the past few months, and we have seen it to be quite effective. That instead of doing a plain vanilla long call, long put, or a call spread or a put spread, a ratio spread makes sense, because dollar rupee ka drift to hai up or down. It changes with it has changed with the time, but momentum hai nahi. In a slow market, this kind of ratio trades actually work out quite well. But jab momentum will be back, we won't be doing such trades. But as of now, this kind of trades are quite relevant. Again, for intraday, short straddles can be done. Positional short strangles. Agar bet karna hai aapko positional bet for 2-3 weeks, then you can look at ratio spreads, either up or down depending on your view. But as of now, it's a range between 76 and 76, 70, 80 on the spot. That's the range. In cross currency, JPY-INR had a quite amazing time for the past 1 month. But abhi filhal it's oversold and it needs to consolidate, and that's exactly what it's doing. So there is not much momentum in the JPY-INR, so you can ignore that as of now. GBP-INR is seeing a lot of downside momentum, so you can now train your focus on GBP-INR, and GBP-INR can continue to be under pressure. So it's a sell-on rise on GBP-INR. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.